Good morning, students. The second program which we are going to see today is the physical style tags. Now, what is the meaning of physical style tags? So, physical style tags are used to define the different styles to the text. Like if you want to bold the text, so you can bold it. If you want to make the slanting text, so you can italize the text. If you want to give the underline, so that also you can give. Then after that, if you want to print the letters above line or below the line, which is called as superscript or subscript, that also you can give. That means you can apply the different styles to the text. So in that, the different physical style tags are there. The first one is B and slash B, which is used to bold the text. I and slash I, which is used to give the italicized text. Italize effect you can give. U and slash U, or INS, which is called as insert and slash insert. Both are used to give the underline to the text. Big and slash big, it is used to print the font size +1 than your normal font size. By default font size, as you know, that is 3, so it will print +1, that is 4 font size. Then small and slash small, which is used to give the font size -1 than your regular font size. Then DEL and slash DEL, or S and slash S, both tags are used to give the strike through effect, that is line between the word. This effect is called as the strike through effect. To give the strike through effect, these two tags are used. Then TT and slash TT, this tag is used to give the monospaced typeface, like a typewriting effect to the text. So all these are the physical style tags. Now we will see with the help of coding. So start with doc type HTML, HTML, head, then title. Give the title as physical style tags slash title, then slash head. Body, I will give the BG color. Now different BG color I will put. I will give the aqua, and my text color I will give as blue. Okay. Now after this, to get this effect clearly, I will use the biggest font size, that is H1. So in the H1, I will give the heading physical style tags. So this will be the heading, and then I am putting BR. Start with the first physical style tag, that is B. So here I will write the sentence. This tag is used to give the bold effect to the text. Then slash B and put BR. Second tag is I. So this tag is used to give the italic effect to the text. Then slash I, BR. Now either you can use U and slash U, or you can use insert and slash insert. So now I'm using INS. So this tag is used to give underline to the text, and slash INS. Next, after this I'm using big. So H1 now I have used. So H1 means +1 font size it will print, that is 8, and small, that is 6. So this tag is used to print 1+ font size than your regular font size. then close it with /big, put br. Then next one is small, so this tag is used to print -1 font size than your regular font size /small. Okay, so this is the big and small. Then after that I'm using TT. So here this tag is used to print the text in monospaced typeface font. It is like a typewriter. And next, now two tags are there which is called as the subscript and superscript. Subscript is used to print the letters below the line. Now for example, H2SO4 or CO2 or C22O11. So like that, whichever is below the line, if you want to print only that particular numbers, then always we have to use the subscript tag. And to print the letters which are above the line, we use the superscript tag. Then after this, I am using delete. This tag is used to give the strike through effect to the text /dill. Now this is similar to S. Now see, H2 is below the line, so I am using subscript 2 /subscript. Because this 2 is below the line, that's why only for this 2 I am using subscript. Now H2SO4, 2 and 4 are below the line, so again for 4 I am using subscript tag. So this is H2SO4, and see the expression A plus B square. Now I want to print, so that is above the line. To print above the line letters, we use superscript tag equal to A square. So again superscript 2 /superscript plus twice AB, they are on the normal line, plus B square. So again superscript 2 /superscript. Okay, then after this close it with /h1, then /body, and then /html. So this is the program for block physical style tags. So in that B and /b, which is used to give the bold effect to the text, I and /I, which is used to give the italize effect, INS, insert and /insert, which is used to give the underline effect, big and small to print the font size +1 and -1 than your regular font size. Then TT, that is monospaced typeface font like a typewriter. Delete and /delete to give the strike through effect to the text. H2SO4, it is used to print the letters below the line, and subscript tag is used to print the letters below the line, and superscript tag is used to print the letters above the line. Now I am saving this with the help of physical style tags.html. Remember students, always you have to put the extension .html and save. Now this program is saved. Here you can able to see the name. I am minimizing this. Right click, open with Internet Explorer. Once you have opened it with Internet Explorer, so you can get the output. Just I am decreasing little bit zoom percentage. so that you will get the effect. Now see. So here, instead of S must be there. So just a small change I am doing. Again refresh. Now see. The first one is, this is the bold effect. We have given the bold effect to the text. This is the italic effect, the slanting effect you can see. The third one, INS and /INS to give the underline effect. This is +1 font size, you can see the difference. This is the normal and this is +1, a little bit increased font size, and this is little bit decreased font size, that is small. Then this is monospaced typeface font like a typewriter. This is the strike through effect, delete and /delete. You can see the deleted text also. You can say it is a deleted text also. Then H2SO4, where 2 and 4 are below the line. So subscript tag is used to print the letters below the line. And A plus B square. Now this square and this square, they are above the line. That's why we use the superscript tag to print the letters above the line. So this is all about the physical style tags.